Hey guys, what up? In this video I want to talk about the stop loss. It's a big question for especially for beginners, even for experts. It's sometimes hard. Where should you put your stop loss? Where's the best point, and where's the best place? Where's the best place for a stop loss? Okay, you have some options. Generally, you can put your stop loss if it's a bear trend. If you wanna take short position, you can put your stop loss above the signal bar, because first you see a signal bar and you enter at entry bar, which in this case this is your signal bar, but this one can't be your entry bar because it's so feeble, but this one is a good entry bar. So let me erase this shit. As I told you, let's say you enter the position at the close of this candle, and you might ask, okay, that's my entry bar, that's my entry point, and where should I put my stop loss? You have some options. First of all, you can put it above this the shadow of this signal bar, which is here. That could be a good point, and or you can just put it above this entry bar, your current leg, So basically, you can in short position you can put your stop loss above the signal bar or above the current leg, which in this point I think both of them are the same. Sometimes your signal bar is not not black. If it's bear leg, it's not black. For example, sometimes this is your signal bar, and after that you see this candle. I don't want to make you confused, but that's the point. Okay, let's say you enter the position at this point, and price after a while you see this pullback. It forms a pullback. That's fucking normal. And how about now? Okay, should you change your stop? Should you raise it or move it somewhere? Okay, you can move it. You can trade your stop loss. It's a term they use, trading. You can trade your stop loss and lower it and put it above this new leg. We basically put stop loss above, in a short position, above current leg. So when you enter the position, when you take this position, this was your current leg, so you put it above this current leg. But after a pullback, and when you expect to see, for example, let's say second leg, now this one is your current leg, so we put stop loss above the latest leg or signal bar, whatever. And you might ask again, okay, when exactly should I do that? When exactly should I trade my stop loss? When can I do that? You can wait on after a breakout below this pullback. Let me erase all of this shit because I think it makes you confused somehow. So here you have this pullbacks. Okay, you have these pullbacks, and price get out of this pullback, and it should break this down. And when you see this breakout below this level, you can trail your stop loss above this top whatever. So in price action, that's how they set their stop loss. But there are some other points here. So your trail, your stop loss, you do the same when you see this one maybe, or this one. After a breakout below this pullback, you can trail your stop loss and move it from here to this point, to this point, and that's what you do. How about bull trend? In bull trend, what should we do? That's a good example. That's a good one. First, you have this one. You have this. This candle is both signal bar and entry bar. Okay, so you might enter the position at the close of this candle, and you might ask, okay, why should I take a line position? Based on your analysis, you might conclude that, okay, here we have this support area, and it's likely if we see a reversal from here. So it does make sense if you take a line position here. And where should you leave your stop loss? I say below this shadow, below this tail, because it's your signal bar and the below of your current leg. So you leave this stop loss below this tail, and you enter the position at the close of this candle. Your target, I don't know, you might, if you're a swing trader, you consider a target above. Based on this tail, you say, okay, price will see this area, and as price moves up, and after each pullback, you might raise your stop loss. First, you put your stop loss here, but as price goes up and this pullback happens, after this pullback, after this engulfing bar, you might raise your stop loss. And let me change this color, it's better. You might raise your stop loss and move it below this current leg and the latest bar, and as it goes up and another pullback happens, and after we have an engulfing bar, you see a white engulfing bar, and it exceeds this pullback. You once again you raise your stop loss and trade it above and put it below this latest leg, and you do it again with this leg. So here we have different legs. This is your first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth and fifth, and the last leg. And after that this happened. So you you probably take profit if you enter this if you enter the position at this point, and your initial stop loss below this shadow. As I said at the beginning, you leave your TP target at this point, and which means you exit the position and execute your will be executed at this point. But even if you stay in position and for example you consider this one as your latest stop loss, this one, as you can see we have this breakout here, strong breakout, and if you're not you're not online and you're not monitoring the position, it will hit your stop loss, you will stop out, but that's okay, because that's your entry point here. Your entry point is here. So basically when you move your stop loss, when you put your stop loss here, you made your position risk free at this price. When you raise your stop loss and surpass the entry point, you basically make your position risk free, and after that you will take profit. You will take profit anyway, even if price hit your stop loss. You get this much profit, okay, because that's your entry point, and this one is your stop. So basically in any condition you make profit, even if it hits your target. Even if it hits your stop loss, that's okay. You still have a profitable position. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestion, you can share it with me and put it in on comment section, and share this video with your friends, and take care.